Alright, this one's gonna be a quick update, but it's worth talking about. So, you remember that tiny glimpse we got of the DJI Neo 2 besides the Avata 3? Yeah, well, it's back in the spotlight, kinda. This time, thanks to Mauro Tandoi, who spotted it on the FCC listings. Yep, it's officially made it to the FCC, but hold up, just because it's listed doesn't mean it's launching tomorrow. FCC certification just means it's cleared to be sold in the US. Could it launch soon? Totally. Or it could be months away if DJI is playing the long game with their release strategy. Now, in terms of what we actually know, there's just one solid leak so far. That's the one showing what looks like a prototype with these new double-layered propeller guards, kind of like a more refined version of the old design. The rest? Honestly, it's mostly whispers and speculation at this point. Rumor has it the Neo 2 will have a redesigned lighter body, not drastically different from the original mini drone look, but more modern and aerodynamic, probably to make room for a larger camera sensor and better obstacle avoidance. Speaking of the camera, it's rumored to feature a bigger sensor, maybe even a 1/1.3 inch, and since the first Neo was kind of bare bones when it came to obstacle avoidance, the Neo 2 is expected to bring some real upgrades there. Features like Focus Track and Active Track 6 might be making their way into the mix too, which would seriously level up the tracking game. But again, let's not get too carried away. Aside from that prototype leak, the rest is all just buzz. So for now, let's keep our eyes on what's confirmed and coming soon, like the DJI Osmo 360, the Mic 3 Osmo Nano, and if drones are your thing, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is expected to drop on August 7th. We're covering all of it here, so if you're into that stuff, make sure you're subscribed, and hey, if you're still watching, dropping a like or a thanks really helps out. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.